Google just gave Gemini direct access to your Google business profile. Not just view-only access. It can pull your search impressions, update your hours, draft review responses in your brand voice, answer customer questions, compare your metrics across time periods, and surface gaps in your profile that you never knew existed, all conversationally. And the thing nobody's talking about yet, this completely changes the barrier to entry for solo operators offering Google Maps rankings and reputation management services. If you're running this service or you want to start, this is massive. And at the very end, I'm going to show you the exact prompt format that makes Gemini write review responses that actually sound like your client's brand voice, not a robot. That part is at the end, and it changes everything. I'm Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers build service businesses using free AI tools instead of expensive software stacks. Let's get into this. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete framework for turning tools like this into actual paying clients, not just knowing what the tool does, but building it into a real business, my 333 method course is linked in the description. Normally $195, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it's showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who's in. Here's what just changed. Most reputation management platforms charge you somewhere between $79 and $99 a month to manage your Google business profile. That includes monitoring reviews, updating hours, posting updates, answering customer questions. They sell it as a time saver. And it is. But here's the thing. You're paying that monthly fee before you've landed your first client. Google just handed you that same capability for free, not a stripped down version, the full stack. Gemini now has direct API access to your Google business profile. It sees everything: your search impressions, direction requests, call data, customer engagement metrics, unanswered questions, review history, profile gaps, and it can modify all of it on command. No dashboard login required. What I call the real-time authority stack is simple. Instead of logging into dashboards and doing everything manually, Gemini manages your Google business profile through conversation. It surfaces insights, drafts responses, updates your profile, and helps optimize your business without the usual back and forth. Here's how it actually runs. You connect Gemini to your verified Google business profile. Right now, this is rolling out globally, but it's not in the EA or UK yet. And even in eligible regions, it's a gradual rollout. Once you're connected, the integration is live. You can ask Gemini to pull your search impressions from the last 30 days. It returns the data. You can ask how many people requested directions last week versus the week before. It compares the numbers and tells you the trend. You can ask it to draft a response to a specific review, and here's where it gets wild. It references the actual customer's comment by name and writes in your brand voice. You approve it or edit it, and it posts directly. No copy paste, no dashboard toggle. Business notebooks keep the context of your business over time. Gemini remembers your connected profile, website, services, and previous conversations, so you don't have to explain everything again every time you use it. That makes managing multiple client accounts much easier. Think about what this means for someone offering Google Maps rankings to local businesses. One session, you connect Gemini to your client's profile. You ask it to pull their current search visibility, their call volume, their direction requests from the last 90 days. You ask it to identify profile gaps, missing photos, incomplete attributes, unanswered questions. It returns a full audit in under 5 minutes. That audit used to take you an hour of manual clicking through tabs and screenshots. With this stack, it takes one conversation, and the tool costs nothing to run. That's a $350 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Now here's where this actually gets useful for someone running a real service business. Now updating a client's profile becomes simple. Need to change holiday hours, publish a seasonal post, or answer new customer questions? Tell Gemini what to do, review the draft if needed, and approve it. Over time, it learns the business and produces more consistent results. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That's where it falls apart. There's one thing you have to handle first or it looks amateur. I'm walking you through that right now. The real value is the insights. Ask Gemini why calls dropped or why traffic changed, and it compares your business metrics to identify possible causes like outdated hours, missing photos, or incomplete profile information. Those recommendations become valuable monthly reports for your clients. The review response capability is where this becomes a recurring service. Small businesses struggle to respond to reviews consistently. You offer them a package, 5 responses per week, written in their brand voice, posted automatically. You connect Gemini to their profile. Every time a new review comes in, you ask Gemini to draft a response that acknowledges the customer by name and references their specific comment. It writes it, you review it, it posts. That's a $200 a month service. Most reputation management platforms charge the business more than that just to access the feature, and they still have to write the responses themselves. Your version costs them less and you handle the labor. Here's another angle. Lead reactivation through the Q&A section. Most local businesses have unanswered questions sitting in their Google business profile for months. People asked about parking, hours, services, pricing, and nobody replied. Those are cold leads sitting there. You use Gemini to pull every unanswered question, draft responses that match the business tone, and post them all in one session. That's a one-time setup fee of $300. The business looks more responsive. Future customers see the Q&A section is active, and you did the whole thing through a conversation with Gemini. No platform fee, no dashboard. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and grabbed my 333 method course, do that now. It's linked in the description, under $30 for viewers of this video instead of $195. That pricing is only live for people coming from this video. It walks you through the exact framework I use to take free tools like this one and turn them into client income. Drop a comment if you're heading over. I want to see who's taking action on this. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's a scenario. A chiropractor has a Google business profile that hasn't been touched in 6 months. The hours are wrong. The photos are outdated. There are 3 unanswered questions and 5 reviews with no replies. Most people would charge $500 to audit and fix that manually. You connect Gemini to the profile, you ask it to surface every gap. It tells you what's missing, what's wrong, and what needs attention. You spend 20 minutes fixing everything through conversational prompts. The chiropractor sees their profile go from neglected to optimized in under an hour. You charge $350, they see it as a steal, you built it on free infrastructure, that's leverage. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The prompt format that makes Gemini write review responses that actually sound like your client's brand voice instead of generic corporate fluff. Here's the structure. You tell Gemini 3 things up front: the business name, the tone you want, and one example of how they'd respond to a compliment. Then you ask it to draft the response. Example: you're responding for Main Street Coffee, casual and grateful tone. They always thank people by name and mention what made the visit special. Draft a response to this 5-star review. Gemini pulls the customer's name and their specific comment, loved the oat milk latte, and writes something like, "Hey Sarah, so glad you love the oat milk latte. We're obsessed with that one too. Thanks for stopping by and making our day." That sounds human. That sounds like the business. And it took 15 seconds. That's the difference between a review response that converts future customers and one that gets skipped. And you just learned how to deliver that as a service. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running for 3 local clients. Every week, you're responding to their reviews, updating their hours, posting seasonal content, answering customer questions, all through Gemini. No platform fees, no manual dashboard work, just conversational commands and direct API access. Your clients see consistent engagement on their profiles. You're charging them a combined $600 a month in retainers, and the tool handling all of it costs you $0. That's what changes when Google hands you the real-time authority stack for free. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.